warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lailia Nurul Hijjah, and now I'm going to explain about how to make a chart easily with Microsoft Excel 2016. So for the first time, we must have the data, and I have the data from my teacher, like this. And now I want to make a pie chart from the jenis kelamin data. So type here jenis kelamin, and then type here laki-laki, because in jenis kelamin there are laki-laki and perempuan. And then type here perempuan, and then you can count how many boys here. Highlight the laki-laki until the end of laki-laki like this. And there are 44 laki-laki. Tap here 44, and then do the same way. Highlight the perempuan. Highlight the perempuan like this. And we can see that there are 91 perempuan. Type here 91 perempuan. And then block like this. Choose insert and click pie chart like this. And I want to 3D pie chart. So yeah, this is the pie chart from the jenis kelamin data. And now you can change the title like this. I want to type jenis kelamin like this. And I want to change the design. Choose what you want, like this. Yeah, this is the pie chart of jenis kelamin data. And then I want to make a bar chart from durasi belajar data. Copy here, durasi belajar, and then copy tidak pernah belajar. Yes, copy more than 2 hours a day. And then copy 0 until 2 hours a day like this. Type here laki-laki, and type here perempuan. Sortir the durasi belajar. Click this one and then choose sort and filter icon like this, and then arrange the jenis kelamin one, and then sort and filter again like this. And we can count the boys. There are 5, which is study more than 2 hours a day. Type here five, and then 0 until 2 hours a day. There are 25, and then never study. Count like this, highlight, and there are 14 never study. 14. And now we can count the girl. sorry. There are 11, which is study more than 2 hours a day. 11. Type here 11. And then 0 until 2 hours a day. There are 30. Type here 30. And then tidak pernah belajar. There are 60. Type here 60. And then count the boys. Click auto zoom. There are 44 boys. And then count the girls. Auto zoom. There are 91. And now plug the data like this. Click insert, click the bar chart, and I want to make a 3D bar chart like this. Select the data, switch row or column, and then click OK like this. So yeah, this is the bar chart from durasi belajar data. Edit your title to be durasi belajar, and then choose the design that you want, and I want to this design. So yeah, this is the bar chart from durasi belajar data. And now I want to make a histogram from IPK data. So highlight the IPK until end like this, and then choose insert, click the insert statistic chart, and then choose the histogram. So yeah, this is the histogram from IPK data. So change the title IPK this, and then choose your design, and I want this design. So yeah, this is the histogram from IPK data. And now I want to make a box plot to compare the IPK of laki-laki and perempuan. So right here laki-laki, and then right here perempuan, and then copy the IPK of laki-laki like this. Put here, and then copy the IPK of IPK perempuan like this. Copy again, and then put here. And then plot all of this data. And then choose insert, and then click statistic chart, and then choose box and whisker. So yeah, this is the box plot of laki-laki and perempuan IPK. like this. Then choose your design that you want, like this. And yeah, we are done for box 4. Okay, and last I want to make a line chart from this new data. So yeah, we want to make a line chart from maze data. Plot May like this, and then click insert, then click insert line or area chart, and then click this one, and yeah, line chart from maze data is here. And if you want to design your line chart, you can click here and then choose your favorite design like this. So yeah, this is the line chart. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. So that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.